So hey guys, it's me Fateh here, and today in this video we are going to be taking a look at the yet another Aosp project, aka Yaap Android 11 custom ROM for the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's get started. So guys, this ROM is the most stable Android 11 custom ROM for the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 7 Pro so far. So guys, what do you expect from a custom ROM this early at its age? And what would make you use it as a daily driver? Let me guess. Good performance, good battery life, good camera quality, near stock Android-like user experience, working banking apps, and some customizations on top. And if that's the case, then this ROM has you covered with all of these aspects. And at least for me, if a ROM has all these aspects, then it would definitely be a daily driver material. So guys, talking about performance, this ROM is so smooth. Especially the optimized animations of Android 11 looks really good on this 90Hz AMOLED panel. And gaming performance is also on par with all the other ROMs. Like come on, how can you expect shitty performance from a freaking Snapdragon 855 and a goddamn 8 or 12 GB of RAM? Even with the least optimizations, everything would just fly on this thing. And now the battery life. So the battery life for me was okayish. By that I mean 5 to 6 hours of screen on time with not so heavy usage. But that's totally acceptable by most of the users, because at the end of the day there's the whopping Warp Charge 30T probably waiting at your desk. And then comes the near stock Android-like user experience. And sure, it does resemble the stock Pixel-like look and feel. Like my OnePlus 7 Pro with this ROM just feels like it should have been the real Pixel 5 of this year. Like seriously, the experience is so great. It can't be shared through this video. You have to try the ROM yourself to feel the experience. And now talking about safety Net and Magisk. It works fine for most of the users, and even the Google Pay works totally fine. But I can't assure personally cause I never spent time on trying to pass the safety net, as I don't use any banking apps or the GPay. And here in this ROM we get quite a few of customizations as well. And by quite a few I mean just a few, as Android 11 custom ROMs are still in their alpha stage. You can't expect tons of customizations yet. But developers of this ROM are working hard to do their best to keep a sweet balance between stability and the features. Also, they are a hater of just picking features from the other custom ROMs and adding them into this ROM. They want to keep this ROM most unique as possible, and not just pick features from other custom ROMs, like many other custom ROMs do. Havoc. And the camera And the camera app this ROM comes with is the Snap Camera app, which just sucks. But worry not, cause the latest WeChat Gcam 7.3 and the Arnova Gcam 7.4 works flawlessly on this ROM. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to get this video out to let you guys know about this amazing ROM, cause there's not many videos out there on this ROM yet, except some screen records. But there's already tons of video on the new features of Android 11. That's why I didn't go through all the features in this video, as that would just make this video much longer. And the download link and the Telegram chat for this ROM will be linked in the description down below. Feel free to go ahead and join the group, but don't just start flooding the group asking for help. Simply check the saved notes and pinned message beforehand, and be respectful to others. And a huge shout out to the developers, maintainers and the founder of this ROM for making this possible for our device. So yeah, as always, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to do the needful below. And it's me Fateh Ahmed. I will see you guys in the next one.